Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has dropped a little bit further late yesterday, I would say, and prices then found at least local support at the 78.6 retracement at 93,640. So we are still holding support. The main question is the low already in, finally in? And I can't confirm that because the reaction is small. It's too small so far. Well, we'll take a look at that in a minute. Obviously, looking at the, let's say, bigger picture, if we zoom out a little bit, the idea is still that we could get a little bit further upside, that we get another rally, possibly to round about 130K. There is nothing at the moment that would confirm a major top. Okay, there's nothing that would confirm a major top. I mean, yes, on the larger time frame, we've got some support levels, but they are all holding still. It would basically take a break below, it's just loading that, below 69K support before I can really get a first solid confirmation that a major top has formed. Now, that being said, I think already below 75K, it becomes quite clear that the top is in because that is the 50% retracement. And if the wave 4, I mean, the main reason why I have to allow for that pullback is because the wave 4 technically could still be unfolding. And if it's an ending diagonal, then this wave 4 can go all the way down to the 61.8 retracement. But it's at the moment still holding up there. The January low is holding, and we can consider that a fifth wave to the upside, has started. It just takes a little bit more evidence here to really confirm that. But yeah, the risk is quite high because it takes really a break below 69K for a first solid confirmation a major top has formed. But I discussed that a little bit further in our latest video on the MCO Global channel. Feel free to check it out. I published it a couple of hours ago. It doesn't only discuss the long-term outlook for Bitcoin and the bull run targets, but also indicators. Yeah, several indicators, including one really good buy indicator that has historically really forecasted very well major lows. We'll talk about all of this in this video. These are different indicators than I covered 3 days ago in the previous Bitcoin video. Yeah, so yeah, that's our main channel now, and there is additional content, longer time frame analysis, and on-chain data and things like that. So I'll link the channel in the description. Check it out. And looking here at the short-term chart, then we have seen after a wave 4 bottomed on the 13th of January, potentially bottomed. Yeah, we had a rally, we had a correction, and then another rally and another correction. And it's now about time that the bulls turn up because we are pressing support. So the yellow scenario, which is the bullish case, has support all the way down to 93,640. Now, that level has now been tested. Yes, market can go a little bit lower, but then the invalidation point is close, and that's at 91,340. And as we know, a break below support typically leads to invalidation. If it's only a small, marginally lower low, it will probably not invalidate. But if it's a sustained break, it should. I've added earlier today another level to watch at 92,460. It's just another Fibonacci extension level that is in between the 78.6 retracement and the invalidation point. Just something to watch. Not too meaningful. And the white scenario is obviously short-term bearish, and it could send us lower here, but it's choppy as well. So it's not clearly bearish, which is why I'm still slightly leaning towards the bullish count, but it would take a break above the last swing high for an early indication here at $96,750. It is also important to understand that we don't have a clear winner yet here. There is no clear winner between bulls and bears, so they're clearly fighting here. There's a very clear fight between the bulls and the bears, and yeah, there's just no clear winner. So I think it's just time still to be cautious. However, probabilities are unclear because of that, but also because we are so deep in support, reward to risk is for long traders quite favorable. It's just that if you set your stop quite tight here, you might get just faked out, stopped out, and it still runs. That's something to consider. But overall, yeah, the bulls and the bears are still fighting. No clear winner yet. And therefore, probabilities are balanced. It is what it is. But reward to risk is interesting. And what we can see from the swing low here from the intraday low is a potential, really a potential micro 5-wave move up. That's actually not bad. But the problem is this is way too small to be not only reliable but relevant. I mean, it's just too small. It hasn't even broken above the previous high. So it needs a larger 5-wave move. Yeah. This could be wave 1, then we get a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And this is really just on the nano level here. But I know a lot of you are watching that, so I'm going to add here really a smallest micro support area, just levels to watch. I would not be surprised if these break, but they are the nearest, let's say, micro support levels that I can offer here. And that would be the level now that needs to hold to keep the idea of potentially an upside reversal alive. So 93,990. If it gets broken now, then we're likely heading for the next two levels that I already mentioned below. So yeah, we have to be patient, but for a first indication, really it's bottomed. I need to see hold support here. Yeah, the price needs to hold support, and then we want to see a break above the swing high there at 96,750. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you subscribe here on our main channel, MCO Global. The link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.